there, welcome back to my channel. Cheryl here. My name is Cheryl. I make videos about wellness, skincare, lifestyle, education, fashion related. If you're interested in all those content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Also make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever there's a new video. Today I want to unbox this new skincare set that I recently got. This video is going to be a unboxing slash first impression skincare related. If you're interested, keep watching. Without further ado, let's just jump right in. This one is the set that I got. It's by Darphin Paris, an established French skincare brand. I've heard of this brand a long time ago, so I always wanted to try their products. I recently just came across this set, so I decided to try, a couple of their products since I was very intrigued. This brand is created by the master botanist. He is a formulator. He is also a kinesiotherapist, which involves a lot of microcirculation, from facial massage, I would say, actually helps a lot of people with their skin, overall glow. Well, I'm just really excited when I saw this set. Soothing Botanical Wonders, 3 of their, best sellers. This is the set. I'm gonna open it right now. They're simple. The first one is the Soothing Serum. The second one is the Soothing Cream. Third one is the Essential Oil Elixir. I heard a lot of things about the Soothing Serum. Perfect for people with skins very easily irritated, considering right now it's like winter time. Also because we're wearing face masks, so it can be very irritated just because of all these outside factors. To be quite honest, the cream is actually really small, like a sample size. The Essential Oil Elixir. This one is teeny, but they're known for the Essential Oil Elixir. I mean, essential oil is so popular this day and age. The French has been doing it for so long. The main focus on this skincare set is this Redness Relief Soothing Serum. This is 30 milliliters, and retails for $90 US dollars. It has a bigger size, it's 50 milliliter, and that one costs $130 US dollars. This one is perfect for people with irritation or just sensitive skin type, as already said, because it just soothes the redness, any discomfort on the skin. This one is free of paraben, mineral oil, and phthalates. If you're looking for skincare products that are more pure form and without all these nasty chemicals, this is a very good choice. According to the official website, in the morning after cleansing and toning, apply 3 pumps of the soothing serum to the skin. Massage skin gently with fingertips in an upward motion, starting at the inner points of the face and working outward. For the serum, you can apply their moisturizer or cream. In the evening, use this one, do the same thing, and follow Essential Oil Elixir, which is also included in this set. Something really interesting that I read from their official website is this one, it can deeply penetrate 18 layers into the skin after 2 hours. Immediately improve the skin moisture levels by 247%. They have a clinical testing on 25 women. It's just a very impressive number, and just want to see how your skin feels after a month of using this. The packaging is glass, so this is recyclable bottle, glass bottle. And according to them, they would donate 100% of the purchase price of the Redness Relief Soothing Serum. Maximum donation of $7,000 to Breast Cancer Research Foundation. From October 1st, 2020 to February 28th, 2021. Good stuff, so you're buying a good product, also you're doing good deeds. Right now I don't have anything on my skin, literally I don't have anything. I can just put this on, 247% of increase in moisture level. That is one impressive number. How is that calculated? I don't know. I'm really bad with numbers. So it comes in this kind of liquid form. I'll be honest, this almost smells as good as almost like a perfume, but way more natural, more in a botanical essential oil sense. It feels like you're in a botanical garden. It smells really nice. It absorbs right away. Now I'm just gonna use it on my face. 3 pumps. That's something that's very interesting because, for a product that targets sensitive skin fragrance, these are just more like a botanical, kind of natural. It absorbs right away. I'm not even kidding you. This so fast absorbing. 18 layers of the skin, deeply penetrated into the skin. one of those like type of skincare, it smells like you're at a spa. So after using the soothing serum, here comes the soothing cream. It's the same collection, and this one, you know, it says for like easy irritated skin. This one is formulated without any synthetic preservatives or colorants. It's gonna be in a very pure form. It's just cream texture, and I have this little plastic spatula here to just get some of the product out. It has the same scent, it's just floral, botanical. It doesn't look super lightweight, you know. I'm just gonna put on my face. Yeah, it smells really, really nice. Easy to just spread it on the face. It's not heavy by any means. You know, if your skin is easily irritated, this will be kind of very soothing. It quickly absorbs. This reminds me of some other like cream that I've used like lately. It has like kind of soothing property without feeling heavy on the skin. This product is created with all the natural ingredients: hawthorn, peony, chamomile, shea butter. You know, all of these ingredients help to soothe our skin. Perfect for people with sensitive skin type, irritation. I'm sure if you have normal skin type, it will work fine on your skin as well, even better. Third product coming from this set is this Chamomile Aromatic Care. This is what they call essential oil elixir. You know, this one is teeny, but you know, if you're buying a regular size for like a 15 milliliters, it's gonna cost $75 US dollars, and this one is only 4 milliliters. According to their official website, it says breathe in deeply, apply 5 drops to face and neck in gentle circular motions from the inner to the outer part of the face. So we're gonna open and breathe in deeply. It's like you smell, you just felt like, can I stay here forever, you know, that kind of scent. It smells really, really nice. It just smells so pure and concentrated and a very inviting, you know, scent. Just imagining yourself bathing in this chamomile tea bath. Surrounding is just serene, you know, you fully get to relax, unwind. Use this at night, it's going to be really beneficial, not just to the skin, also to your mind. Looking at the ingredients, you know, the key ingredients like sunflower seed oil, jojoba seed oil, and sesame seed oil, sweet almond oil, lavender oil, bergamot fruit oil, sage oil, sandalwood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just like oil. Oh my god, this smells so concentrated and pure. I mean, I like that the formulator talked about kinesiotherapy, the microcirculation. I am a firm believer of circulation and facial massage. For all like aromatherapeutic, aromatic experience. This is like, I'm ready for bed, you know. I'm so relaxed right now. Like, I think it's a really good face oil, or just like a facial massage oil. I would definitely consider purchasing the regular size. I did thoroughly enjoy all 3 products. I do believe a lot of us have a sensitivity in our skin because of the environmental aggressors or environmental like pollutants. I don't think these are only made for people with sensitive skin type. If you do have normal skin type, it will work even better. I know Darphin Paris, they have their own botanical garden, institute, and spa in Paris. So, you know, when me and my husband would visit Paris, I would definitely try to schedule an appointment at the spa. That completes today's unboxing as well as first impression skincare review. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in anything outside of my channel, you can follow my Instagram account. I'll leave it here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.